Alright guys, so what's up? Engine disassembly time. I normally don't record a lot of engine stuff just because I know people don't really find it interesting. You'll either find me like ripping down the street or something like that, doing some burnouts. But yeah, we got a couple stuff we're working on today. Let's see, this is the engine we're going to be pulling apart today. Not too much. I keep a couple spare engines around just in case. We got a sleeved, yeah, here we go. Sleeve 2.0 block. There's also a 2.4 block just in case we got some stuff chilling. We even have another motor over here. This is a Frank swap, K24, K20. We also have a built 2.0 block just in case, and we also have another transmission and everything down here just in case. So yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and start working on this engine. I guess we'll just go ahead and disassemble it. So if you guys want to watch, it's coming apart. All right, let's get to it.